Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to switch to a keyboard if you're using an S Pen on your Samsung Note. So say for example, you open up your Samsung Note and you have your S Pen in your hands. However, instead of handwriting it, you want to type it out. Then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your Notes app. Go ahead and open that. Next, you want to go ahead and create a new note or just open an existing one. Now here, say for example, I don't want to write using the pen. I want to write using a keyboard. So at the bottom left here, you got a keyboard option. Tap on this, and then you can go ahead and type in the words that you want to write. At the top here, you have all the options of different, have a checkbox. You can have the text option of the alignments, bold, underlined. You can have Galaxy AI help you out. You can choose different font colors. You can choose the style, the font background. You can choose the size. If you swipe it left, you can go ahead and choose all the different formats for your text. You can also use S Pen to text. So this will basically, so whatever you draw in, it'll basically create the word out of it. So there you go guys, that is how to switch from an S Pen to a keyboard option on your Samsung Note using your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.